friends, myself Dr. Hariballabh Mahapatra, working as a diabetologist at 3 hospitals Bhubaneswar and Sevayan Diabetes Center Puri. Now in this section we will be discussing about ABC of diabetes management, which means for every management there should be initial and basic knowledge about managing the particular disease. And if you talk about diabetes, we all know that diabetes hampers each and every organ system in our body. It affects our nervous system, our heart, our kidneys, and there is no organ system that has been spared by patients who are having diabetes. It can affect each and every organ in our body. Therefore, we should manage the blood glucose control within a very narrow range. And the ABC of diabetes management, A stands for HbA1c, A1c in short, which means it's a blood test that shows the last 3 months average blood glucose. And ideally, patients who are having diabetes, their A1c should be maintained below 7%, and when the HbA1c is higher than 7% or 8%, then we should act and we should try to bring the HbA1c to the recommended range. And ideally, it shows as I told, it shows the last 3 months average. Therefore, we need to check it every 3 months. And in a patient who is having his HbA1c within the target range, we can check it every 6 months. So the HbA1c can be done 2 to 4 times in a year. And the second, B stands for blood pressure. We should try to maintain the blood glucose between the normal blood pressure is less than 120 by 80 millimeter of mercury. And when the blood pressure is going high, then we need to give some treatment for those patients. And treating the patients with who are having high blood pressure definitely improves their quality of life, and also it prevents the future attack of various types of complications of diabetes, like cardiovascular disease, heart ailments, and also those who have those cases of paralysis can also be prevented. Therefore, whenever the person's blood pressure goes beyond a certain limit, then we should give that person some medications to bring the blood pressure lower. And the target blood pressure for patients with diabetes is say less than 140 by 90, though there are different types of regimens and different types of guidelines, but usually we should try to maintain the blood pressure between less than 140 by 90. And C